Atkins Civil 3D video series, SPD1 formatted drawing sheets. This video illustrates A. Atkins plan production template drawing, B. drawing plotting procedures, and C. pre-formatted layout sheets. Atkins has created a template drawing named Atkins Plan Production.dwt that is included with Atkins set of template drawings and should be saved to the Plan Production folder on a person's computer. Open Atkins Plan Production.dwt drawing. File type DWT. The drawing is located in the C drive, user, the username, app data, local, Autodesk, C3D, the year, ENU, and template. Plan production, Atkins Plan Production.dwt. Open. The drawing contains no data in model space, but contains several paper space layout sheets, with each sheet containing several viewports for the plan, profile, title block, and construction notes. Other layout sheets contain different configurations. The XY dimensions of the exterior border of the layout sheets are 34.4 by 22.8 inches, which is the largest area that can be plotted on 24 by 36 inch paper on a large format plotter. Each layout sheet contains a 2-inch wide title block viewport located on the right side of the sheet. The title block drawing, which is drawn at a scale of 1 inch equals 1 foot and contains the drawing name, number, scale, revision block, company name, and PE stamp, is located on a separate drawing in the Drawing Design folder. The title block drawing is XREF into model space of the SPD drawing and scaled to the drawing scale so that it can easily be seen. Some layout sheets contain a 5.7-inch wide construction notes viewport located on the left side of the sheet. The notes drawing, which is drawn at a scale of 1 inch equals 1 foot and contains the general and construction notes associated with all improvements for the project, is located on a separate drawing in the Drawing Design folder. The notes drawing is XREF into model space of the SPD drawing and scaled to the improvement drawing scale so that it can easily be seen. Plan and profile layout sheets contain the title block and construction notes viewports, a 25 by 11.2 inch plan viewport, a 25 by 11 inch profile viewport, a 0.5 inch wide vertical strip on the left and right side of the plan viewport for match line labels, a 0.5 inch wide vertical strip on the left and right side of the profile viewport for elevation labels, a 6-inch wide horizontal strip in the middle for station labels, and a north arrow that can be moved and rotated as desired. There are two styles of plan and profile layout sheets, PP-Rec and PP-Trap. The PP-Rec sheet contains a rectangular shaped plan viewport that is used for a large majority of plan and profile sheets. The PP-Trap sheet contains a trapezoidal shaped plan viewport that is used for curved roads where the match lines are not ortho with the UCS coordinates. The slope of the sidelines can easily be changed by picking a corner glyph of the viewport and moving it horizontal. This change is initially done in model space and reproduced in paper space. SR profile sheets are used for side road profiles, for road, storm, sewer, and water improvement drawings, and contain the title block viewport, two 25 by 11 inch horizontal profile viewports, a 3.8 inch wide vertical strip on the left and right side for road name labels, and a 0.8 inch wide horizontal strip in the middle for station labels. The section sheets are used for road cross-sections, driveway profiles, and other drawings requiring only one large viewport area and contains a title block viewport and a 32.4 by 22.8 inch viewport. There are three styles of double plan sheets: Plan Double 1, Plan Double 2, and Plan Double 3. Double 1 sheets are used for demolition and erosion control drawings and contain the title block and construction notes viewports and two 25 by 11 inch horizontal plan viewports with 4-inch wide strips at the bottom of each viewport for station labels. A 1.2-inch wide vertical strip is also included on the left and right side of each viewport for match line labels. Double 2 sheets are used for phase construction and striping drawings and contain the title block viewport, two 30.8 by 9.4 inch horizontal viewports with 1.2 inch wide vertical strips on each side for match line labels, and a 4-inch wide horizontal viewport in the middle for construction notes, details, and legend labels. Double 3 sheets are used for survey control and contain the title block viewport, two 28 by 11.4 inch viewports with 1.2 inch wide vertical strips on the left and right side for match line labels. A different style of layout sheet can easily be created by making a copy of one of the pre-formatted sheets. Right-click, move or copy, create a copy, move to N, OK. The viewports can be copied, CO, enter, pick a viewport, enter, and move to a desired location. The viewport can be resized by clicking the viewport, picking a corner glyph, and moving the glyph to a desired location. Escape. Use copy clip to copy the north arrow. Copy clip, pick the north arrow, enter, move to the drawing that you wish to install the north arrow in, and paste, clip, and pick the location. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.